Hey crafty friends, it's Mel. So I just wanted to share another Amazon crafty find. I am so glad that I got this because I do a lot of the traveler's notebooks now, and I've been doing a lot of them for gifts, just for co-workers and different things. And even just to change them of the season, it's fun to me. So I wanted to get a long reach stapler. So this is one of my Amazon goodies. Here is the box. I will describe it to you in a minute, but this one is by Sparco, and it's tan and black, and it's a long reach stapler. It staples up to 20 sheets, and the third depth is adjustable to 12 inches, so that's what I really wanted it for, and it uses standard staples. So it says for binding books, pamphlets, brochures, and card mounting. But I wanted it for two purposes. One, sometimes you just want, and they do have colored staples. They've been around for years, but that's something that you can get to just to fancy it up a little because they are standard size. But look at this guy. So it came in this huge box from Amazon, but this was the box that it was in. But I guess because it was like this, they had to put it in diagonal, and I'm like, what the heck? Just for this little stapler. But you guys know how Amazon does that. But anyway, it basically opens like a regular stapler. It looks like a regular stapler from here to here, except it has an open back. And this is only 8.5 by 11, but it'll give you an idea. And I don't have staples in it yet. But you see how deep? Like you can put it on any angle of your paper. So if you're big in scrapbooking, this you can like do a diagonal corner like on each side of your photo, and you can turn your paper, and you can go all the way back to it's a little bit over 12 inches, but it says 12 inches, so you can get a little bit even further, so depending on how you turn your paper. But what's also good is if you are making your own notebooks for your traveler's notebook, and you need a staple like for your paper for the inserts, this is good because you can get your notebook all the way in there and move it around to where you need to staple it. So this was only $10 from Amazon, and again we have the Prime, so it was free shipping, and it came in 2 days. So just want to point that out there. I love when you guys share anything helpful you find, or little tips and tricks, because it just makes it easier and fun for us, especially as gadget people. So anyway, I just wanted to share that little Amazon find, and stay tuned for a scrapbook pail haul. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.